Good afternoon. I am an Afrofuturist, and I have a bold vision to take food waste and turn it into regenerative systems that's rooted in nature, culture, and technology. My name is Mason Christofield, and I am the founder of Mac Gardens, and we're a green tech company, and we've been on a mission to close the loop. And on this mission, I discovered two things. Food waste has to be the most senseless problems that humans ever created, and it's completely solvable. But these solutions have to start locally, because it is our streets that flood when compost can help. It's our taxes that rise when waste systems are inefficient. If Michigan is going to cut food waste in half, we have to separate it at the source, because 100% of food can be recovered. But that's where I hit the wall, because I realized that most post-consumer food waste is contaminated, making recovery expensive or impossible. So the problem is a human behavior problem. So how do we change behavior at a scale? Well, the answer is to play. ReFed, a leading authority on food waste, states that behavior change has the highest ROI of any food waste solution. And gamification, well, that makes building habits fun. And it's been shown to boost sustainable actions by 37%. And that's exactly why we are creating Reclaim, a real-world game that makes recovery an adventure. Think Pokemon Go, but for food waste. You reclaim resources, you rebuild systems, you regenerate your community. Now you just don't read about change, you're a part of it. So at cafes, cafeterias, or venues, you scan a smart bin or a QR code as you sort your food waste. That action will log participation, reward the location, and unlock an immersive story showing how food waste becomes a resource, with the possibility of real-life rewards as well. But the more people that join, it builds social momentum. You know, like mowing your lawn after you see your neighbor does it. And as we grow, we'll add sensors to flag contamination, use machine learning to predict recovery potential. But here's where it gets exciting. Reclaim will connect to a digital twin. That's a live model of each site that makes data transparent and helps partners meet their sustainability goals. Now, we're building something that grows with us, and there's a large market waiting for it. And we're starting here in Metro Detroit, where we have a target of over 2,500 locations. That is a $10 million opportunity. In 2 years, we plan to onboard 75 sites and generate $500,000 in recurring revenue. Then scaling into the region and ultimately into the $1 billion national market, where we hope to capture 3% over the next 5 years. Now, we're using a proven B2B to C software as a service model that monetizes real-world traffic and engagement. So businesses will pay $60 a month to turn their location into interactive sustainability sites. We'll also generate revenue through impact reports, certification support, and waste solutions like bins and consulting. Now, while competitors like Jewelbud gamify sustainability, we partner to build smart waste systems and help organizations get ready for the future of waste. In year one, we cut contamination by 25%, divert 50 tons of waste, reach 1,000 consumers, create 5 green tech jobs, and educate over 100 youth in the Detroit Black Tech Movement. Now, this is a team building this with expertise in composting, sustainability, gaming, and mobile development, and we're connecting the dots in a way that no one else has. Now we're seeking 5 partners to help launch Reclaim, and we're asking for $75,000 to build an MVP to run a 6-month pilot that proves gamification drives cleaner and measurable impact. Visit our site and connect if you're ready to partner as we merge the real and the virtual world to reimagine the power of food waste. Because when nature, tech, and culture combine, regeneration becomes inevitable. Thank you.